Proper air filter maintenance is essential to protecting your engine, especially in dusty or high-performance riding conditions. In this procedure, we'll walk through how to inspect, clean, and replace the engine air filter on your Can-Am Outlander. Before beginning, park the vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely shut off. This procedure requires an air filter cleaner, rags, and a vacuum, along with a replacement air filter if needed. Service intervals should be adjusted based on riding conditions. Increase frequency when operating in dusty environments such as dry sand, dirt-covered surfaces, snow-covered terrain, or dry gravel roads. Begin by removing the console. Turn the 2/4 turn fasteners to unlock it. Press both tabs and lift the console upward. Set it aside. Locate the air filter housing and unlock both cover latches. Lift the cover rearward until the hinges disengage, then pull it forward to remove it. Using the handle, pull the air filter adapter toward the front of the vehicle to free it from the airbox and remove it from the housing. Remove the foam filter from the paper filter. Then separate the air filter adapter from the main filter assembly. Lightly tap the paper filter to remove excess dust. If it remains excessively dirty, replace it. Spray the foam filter inside and out using a suitable air filter cleaner. After cleaning, dry it with low-pressure compressed air or allow it to dry completely before reinstallation. Visually inspect and squeeze the duckbill valve to confirm it is free of obstruction and operating properly. Inspect the air filter housing for debris or moisture. If dirt, debris, or water is present, clean the housing using a vacuum. Ensure the housing is clean and completely dry before reinstalling components. Then reinstall the air filter adapter onto the assembly. Install the foam filter onto the paper filter. Using the handle, firmly push the adapter into the housing cavity until fully seated. Reinstall the housing cover and secure both latches. Finally, reinstall the console and lock the 1/4 turn fasteners. This completes the air filter service procedure. Always make sure to adjust maintenance intervals based on riding conditions to maintain engine performance and long-term durability.